Boutique is having a sale, 20% off, and this dress is on our sale items. Good morning, guys. So I'm just arriving to work. I have about 10 minutes before I have to leave. So this is the keto coffee. I need to get back on my diet. Like, I know I've gained weight. I can feel it. My thighs is rubbing together. So it's like, this is not good. This is one of my greatest fears. But lately, literally, I've just been turning it up, eating anything I want, drinking, and it's catching up with me. And this is not good. Not good at all. So tonight, well, maybe after work, I'm gonna try to head to the gym, at least for an hour. And tonight, I'm supposed to be hanging out with a friend again. So it's like, I'm definitely gonna eat a salad. And I'm at the fast for these, like, about probably 18 hours today. I'm gonna fast for 18 hours. Well, I'm gonna try to. Like, I don't know what's got into me, but this is not good. And I'm glad I'm catching it early. Like, yeah, this is not gonna be good. Okay. Oh, if you have not seen my last upload, this. We're taking a road trip, so basically all this food is for the road, basically. You want to see what I got? Hey guys, so I'm just leaving the grocery store and I bought nothing but junk food, juices, and energy drinks. And it's just because we're doing a road trip. On a road trip, and I'm very excited about it. And we just made it to 1,000 subscribers, so it's really special. Just for that. So I showed a little bit inside the grocery store what I bought, but I'll show you later. So I'm about to eat this light snack and edit this video. So today's about to be a real chill day, and tonight I'm going to the gym. That's it. So I just got done getting my nails and wax done, and every time I get this done, I get in a better mood. All I need is my hair done and I'll be complete. So Thursday, I'm going to be in Vegas. I'm so excited. It's gonna be a road trip, and I want to do something really special for making it to 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. I don't know. I want to probably do a giveaway. I don't know. I'm gonna think of something really creative to do. I'm really excited about that. A little milestone. Is it called milestone? So today, I don't know exactly everything I'm gonna be doing. I'm supposed to hang out with a friend though. We'll have dinner, catch up, and probably after that I should start packing. I probably should. Well, I need to start packing after that. So I don't know if I'm gonna have time to do makeup neither. Okay, I'm really bad at time management, so I need to really figure things out. Right now, what time is it? It's still early. I'm hungry now. If I get a light snack, I already got a light snack. You know, I got those. I bought the expensive eggs again. I know, guys. I know. I need to save money. And that's a wasteful bag. Whatever. So yeah, I'm gonna get me a light snack, and then I have to pick up some stuff. I need to still go to the store. I still need to get a little bit more things for Vegas. Like I need some, like I want to buy some travel size deodorant and body washes. Oh, my music just came on. Okay, so yeah, see you guys later. Okay. Hey guys, so I'm literally in a rush like always. I just threw this on. I didn't even get time to wear makeup. Well, I lied. I have foundation on. I'm about to go meet up with a friend, catch up, have some food. And then when I get home, I have so much stuff to do. I really do. Like I always say I have a lot of stuff to do, but it's really because I do. I'm not even wearing a purse today. I'm bringing this cute little wallet I bought. I'm gonna show you guys when I get out the car. But yeah, I need to get everything together. And tonight, well, on Thursday I'm going to Vegas, so I'm really excited about that. I need to get my life together. I still haven't packed. Of course I haven't packed. Of course I haven't. Let me check out my ID. Yeah, alright. So, okay. I'll show you. Well, yeah, I'll bring you guys. Oh, well, you know what? We'll play it in my ear. This is so beautiful, and the restaurant is, oh, you can't. Well, I'm gonna show you guys when I get there, but this is where I'm parked at right now waiting. It's so beautiful. I just love it. But yeah, I want to take a picture or a video. Even though my outfit is really casual, you know, I still want to do it. I ain't bringing nothing, but since I'm so early, I could do like a mini photo shoot. Oh, he just got down on the boat. Look, this guy. So he just got done riding a little boat on thing. Oh no, he's taking it off. He's about to get in the water. Yo, look. This gets real over here. So I got here and I'm early. Well, I'm only 10 minutes early, but still, I could have got real dressed up, like, you know, just not as casual as I am. And I could have worn makeup. Well, I have makeup, just foundation, but yo, this guy is really about to get in this water. And he just put on his little sweatsuit, it's called a wetsuit, whatever. Let me see if I can show you guys him. You can't really see him, but this is real. He's getting in the water. I'll be scared. But anyway, I want to do a video. I don't see a lot of people standing outside, so I'm not gonna get nervous. But there's a lot of people, I get nervous trying to do a video and they watch me. So, yeah, I'm gonna show you guys my outfit. Full effect, simple but chic. Perfect, thank you. No problem. There you are. Like your first birthday. Almost got hit by a car, y'all.